What's up, everybody? Today we're looking at this 1973 Datsun truck. As you can see, with a custom paint job with those flames and not the original engine. We'll talk about that in a minute though. For right now though, you can see we did our paint correction on this vehicle as well as our ceramic coating. We did a 2-stage paint correction on all the painted surfaces. So that's going to be a heavy cut to get all the scratches out, and then come back with a polish to polish it out and make it this glossy. We did the engine bay as well. As you can see, the wheel wells are super glossy, as well as that firewall back there. We ceramic coated those, and as well as the blower right there. We ceramic coated that. So with our ceramic coating, we used a 5-year ceramic coating on the painted surfaces, and then for the blower as well as the wheels, we used our heavy duty coating, which is also 5 years, just a little more heat resistant. Moving on to a little bit of paint correction before and after. As you can see, there's still some scratches in there because we can't get it perfect. We got to work with the depth of the paint, because if we cut too deep, we will mess up the paint's finish. So yeah, working with the paint we had, you can see we got really good results before and after. So as you'll see towards the end of the video with the pictures, we put our Aegis Armors glass coating on all the windows to make it shed water easy while driving in the rain, as well as give that extra gloss to match the rest of the vehicle. And then finally, the customer brought in a wheel acid to clean the wheels with, so we went ahead and did that. You'll see the before and after of those. And then put our ceramic coating on it to make it pop even more. So that's how we got that good finish on the wheels. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. We have some stuff coming up about our products as well as our services. So thanks for watching.
Today we're going to talk about the maintenance on these vehicles that we ceramic coat. This doesn't really just apply to our ceramic coat. Our products work on any car that's got a ceramic coating on it. Once a car has ceramic coating, you'll basically rinse the car every couple weeks. Then you'll take a foam can, apply our Foam Fury or our Spectrum, which is a ceramic-based soap, adds a little more gloss. Basically let it sit on the car for about a minute, rinse it off, take a leaf blower and dry it. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a 2-bucket wash using grip guards, of course. After you get done with that, you'll take our Aegis Armor Renew, which is our maintenance coating for the ceramic. You'll take 3 microfibers, wet one, wring it out, spray the Renew right onto the first microfiber, the wet one, wipe it onto the vehicle, let it sit for about 15 seconds, wipe it off with the dry microfiber, buff it with a 3rd dry microfiber. That's all the maintenance that has to be done on the vehicle. This product can be used on glass, wheels, paint, plastics. It's kind of a one-stop shop. On the vehicle that we just did in this video, we also used our Black Widow non-sling tire gel. This can be put on in a satin finish or a high gloss finish. For the do-it-yourself crowd, we've also got a couple products over here. We have Shield, which is a 6-month coating, and Shield Elite, which is a 1-year coating. This one is applied actually like you would apply real ceramic, doing a 2-foot by 2-foot area. Let it sit for about 15 seconds, buff it right off, last up to a year. If you have any questions about ceramic coating, even if you're not in our area, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to help you out and answer any questions you have. Thanks, have a great day.